Hey girl, hey! Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true. My name is Opal May and this is what we doing today. Hey girl, hey. Y'all, I'm so proud of myself. Like I am so proud of myself. So if you're interested in why I'm proud of myself, make sure you stay tuned.
Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true. So we are going to be cooking today in this video, doing some meal prep. So Costco is our store for the day because, you know, they got all the good deals and the bulk. And, you know, anyway, y'all know when you go in now, they are not playing about them cards. You got to scan them right there. Look at the fancy refrigerator. And y'all know it's the holidays coming up. They got the nutcracker and all the Christmas decorations. So the nativity set. All right, guys. So anyway, now that you've seen that, let's go ahead and move on. So guys, I'm in Costco. I came to get salmon and salmon only, okay? Hold me accountable, okay? This is for lunch for the week. But you can see, let me show you guys what they have out. You also know now at Costco, you got to scan your card right there in front of the people. They not playing, y'all. It's not about to try to use a double membership on these people. Nobody can use anybody's card anymore. And when you go to the self-checkout, honey, they want to see your card and they look at the picture on the back of it. Do you hear me? Okay, so moving right along, let's go ahead and grab our salmon so we can get out of here. Yeah, and get up to the registers. Let me let it continue to play. And you can never go wrong with the $4.99 chicken. I mean, this is a quick night's dinner, and then you don't eat the wrong things. So $4.99, of course, that's a good deal. And you always have to stop and get a sample when you're in Costco. And baby, let me tell you something about this sample.
Now that sample was good now.
Now, I told y'all they be at them registers. I said, baby, I can scan my own stuff. I got this. I'm using my own card. Okay? Don't be watching me. Okay, so we're all finished. Let's get home and make this salmon, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking, I should say. I appreciate you. Okay, so I got it home, and of course I had to clean it off.
All right, we're gonna have us some salmon. So we got black pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika, sea salt, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in the pot. Okay, so all of our salmon is cut up and ready. Okay, so I've already added a couple pieces. All right, so we have all of our salmon added in here. All right, and it is cooking. So this is salmon. I got one more piece.
There's some asparagus that I picked up from Costco. So we're gonna add us some fresh garlic. We're gonna go ahead and saute it and then add our asparagus in there. You know, asparagus makes sure your instinct right. But anyway, it's looking good, guys. We are going to add some salt. I made brown rice and quinoa. Didn't do that on camera.
Okay, so we have brown rice, we have quinoa, we have asparagus, we have our salmon, and we also have beans. So we are going to go ahead and get this meal prep.
So here I am placing the brown rice in the bowl. Remember, I didn't do that on camera. I'm sure you all have seen brown rice and quinoa made on camera several times. So I did like 3 to 4 tablespoons. I put some olive oil, pepper, and turmeric because it's good for inflammation, right? So kind of really been on this turmeric lately, like Yeah, a lot, a lot, a lot. But this is just a really good idea, you all. I try to have my stuff ready. This time I was able to do it a week in advance. So I just threw it in the freezer, of course, and then I just take one out at night and then grab it in the morning, put it in my lunch bag. But some asparagus, and of course you can have as much vegetables as you want because there is no calories. And I placed the salmon on there. Got so excited because it looks so good.
So here's one of the bowls. We have our turmeric rice with a little bit of olive oil or black beans and our asparagus and our salmon. That looks so good, guys.
So now that everything is prepped and ready to go, we're going to go ahead and throw it in the freezer. I did make a sweet potato, a whole one cut in half, and then I just eat a half of one every day with my meal, my dinner or lunch. Okay, so looks good, guys, right? So we're just going ahead. We're going to go ahead and put our lids on there and throw these in the freezer, you guys. I'm so excited. Just once again trying to be healthy, stay healthy. Hopefully you all have been inspired and you will start doing a lot more meal prepping, because I promise you that is the only way to succeed in weight loss. Yeah, it looks so good, guys. Don't mind the bowls. When you have kids and they keep borrowing stuff, you can't get everything to match. But anyway, it's all in the freezer and ready to go.
Okay, so thank you so much for staying tuned, y'all. So I'm so excited because, or proud of myself, because I actually meal prep for next week. Prepare my lunch for next week, because I'm usually doing like eggs in the morning or something, a bean smoothie. Yes, I've been making a lot of beans, doing a lot of bean smoothies. So I'll do like eggs in the bean smoothie, and then I'll do like my lunch, and then dinner I'll have like a protein shake and probably another protein shake if I feel like I get hungry, and try to get like some fruit in there. And the persimmons right now, they are so good. I mean, they are so good. Don't get the ones like you bake with. They're shaped like pear shaped almost. Get the round ones. Amazing. I don't like stuff too sweet. They are perfect this year. So I made salmon, green beans, and some brown rice. And I took the brown rice and the beans, and I put like a little turmeric over them, a little olive oil and black pepper, because the turmeric and the pepper mixes well together, and that's how it like activates in your system. Yeah, but anyway, so I said I'm gonna have me a little bit. You know, asparagus makes your pee. When you go pee, you be like, what is that smell? This is the salmon. And I don't like my salmon all the way done. If I didn't tell y'all that, I don't. I feel like I overcooked this because this is a smaller piece. The bigger pieces are undercooked, which is perfect. So when I go to warm it up for lunch, when I take it out the freezer, and that's another thing, it's in the freezer. Like, it is ready for next week. So on Monday, all I gotta do is grab and go. I'm trying to do 30 days, make sure I'm meal prepping, and I'm eating very healthy. But anyway, so I'm very proud of myself because I meal prep for next week. So I'm just super, super, super excited. I'm trying to be more healthy. I'm getting older. So feel free to join me. And if you have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like, what you waiting on, sis? What you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit it. It's free. It's totally free to hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, okay? I promise you. So that's pretty much going to conclude the video. Hopefully you will be inspired to eat healthy. Look at my videos of the bean smoothies, some of the salads that I've been making. Y'all, I've just been in a healthy lifestyle change. I'm pretty much healthy, but I slip every now and then because I'm human. But I want to do better. So anyway, it's been real, it's been fun, but your girl is done. Fresh and getting ready for the day. Good morning. So you know, when you wear your lab coat, you buckle, you snap it all the way down. Your neck shouldn't be out. Nothing should be out. And we are, we labbing, right? We labbing. Life be labbing. Yes, it does. I love wearing my lab coat every day. It makes me feel so needed.
Also, if you have not checked out my video, make sure that you check out my bean smoothie or bean protein smoothie. This is a great way, guys. If you are allergic to protein powders or if they bother your stomach, this is a recipe you want to try. Once again, I just want to say thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Other than that, have a beautiful, beautiful morning, night, or noon.